So y'all, I have cleansed my hair with shampoo, and usually I like using the Dove Intensive Repair shampoo. I'm pretty much almost out. But once I am straightening my hair, I usually like something that's very cleansing. And then now I'm going to put my DIY Avocado Peach deep conditioner or hair smoothie. This has 2 types of proteins in it. It has hydrolyzed keratin protein and hydrolyzed silk protein, which is supposed to be really good for my hair, to get rid of frizz, to strengthen, and to give my hair some luster. So we're just gonna put that in my hair right now. And it looks like this. Yum. Okay, so when I put the recipe or the video for this deep condition, I'll link it in this video.